You have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Life's journey is filled with timeless principles that endure through the ages, guiding us toward purpose and resilience. Today, I'm excited to share 10 invaluable lessons drawn from the wisdom of Seneca, the Stoic philosopher, combined with my own experiences. These lessons are transformative, empowering you to excel in any situation life presents. They're not relics of the past, but beacons lighting our way to personal growth in the modern world. Whether you're a seasoned seeker of wisdom or just starting your quest, these teachings will inspire and steer you. This isn't about reaching some impossible, airbrushed ideal. Embrace the wobbly stumbles, the scraped knees, the messy progress. That's where the real gold lies, and these lessons are the keys to unlock it. Whether you're a seasoned wisdom seeker or just starting your own personal odyssey, these nuggets of Stoic genius will turbocharge your resilience and illuminate your purpose. Buckle up as we delve into this timeless wisdom. Remember, the power lies within you to integrate these lessons into your daily life, illuminating the path toward the best version of ourselves. Before we begin, I would appreciate if you like the video so that you can help me to continue spreading the Stoic philosophy. If you are not subscribed, I recommend you to subscribe and activate the bell so you don't miss any video. 1. Embrace challenges. Seneca, the wise guy from ancient Rome, knew growth only happens when you crack open your comfort zone. Life throws these juicy challenges at us like curveballs in a cosmic game. And guess what? That's where your badass potential hides. Think about that thing you've been tiptoeing around, the work project that makes your knees weak, the fitness goal that seems as distant as Neptune. Or maybe it's a personal fear lurking in the shadows. Stop dodging, embrace it, chase it down, because that's where your greatness is waiting to explode. Remember, diamonds form under pressure, and superheroes get their powers from radioactive spiders. Okay, maybe not all of them. The point is, challenges are the furnace that forges your resilience and unlocks your true potential. So, ditch the safety blanket and steep into the crucible of our soul, because trust me, the view from the other side is worth every drop of sweet and maybe a few tears. 2. Select your influences mindfully. Seneca believed in the power of surrounding oneself with positive influences. While you can't choose your parents, you have the freedom to choose your friends and role models. Take a moment to reflect on the people you spend most of your time with. Are they inspiring, motivating, and uplifting? Or do they drain your energy and hold you back? Make a conscious decision to be influenced by those who elevate you. The company you keep is akin to the air you breathe, deeply affecting your well-being. Surround yourself with individuals who challenge you, support your growth, and lead by example. They will play a vital role in shaping you into the person you aspire to become. 3. Direct your response. Life is brimming with unexpected twists and turns. Seneca's lesson is straightforward, yet profound. It's not about what happens to you, but how you react. Reflect on a recent setback or adversity you've encountered. Did you allow it to define you, or did you rise above it? Your response holds tremendous power. It's the canvas upon which you paint the picture of your life. In every circumstance, you possess the ability to choose your reaction, shaping the narrative. When life throws its curveballs, take a moment, inhale deeply, and contemplate how you can respond with wisdom and fortitude. That's where genuine resilience takes root. 4. Prioritize what truly matters. Amidst a world buzzing with distractions, it's crucial to affirm what truly holds significance. Every time you say yes to something, you're inevitably saying no to something else. Evaluate your daily choices. Are they harmonious with your long-term aspirations and values? Prioritize the indispensable while shedding the trivial. In life's grand tapestry, what genuinely counts isn't merely the quantity of tasks accomplished, but the quality of impact made. Remember, each yes represents a commitment of your precious time and energy. Ensure your dedication is directed toward endeavors that resonate with your purpose and values. 5. Master yourself. Self-discipline stands as the bedrock of personal growth. Seneca's philosophy centered on self-mastery, an endeavor to govern one's actions, emotions, and choices. Mastery of oneself isn't about exerting control over others, it's about taking charge of your own life. In moments of temptation or distraction, self-discipline acts as the guiding force, keeping you aligned with your goals. It embodies the inner fortitude to reject immediate gratification in pursuit of enduring success. Keep in mind, the ability to master oneself is a skill that can be nurtured and polished over time. 6. Safeguard your time. Protect your time vigilantly. Time stands as our most invaluable resource, irreplaceable once it slips away. Are you safeguarding your time as you would your most treasured possession? Seneca's wisdom serves as a reminder that we often fritter away our time on pursuits of little significance. By managing time judiciously, doors to greater growth and contentment swing open. Reflect. How do you allocate your time each day? Are you investing it in endeavors that harmonize with your values and ambitions? Be mindful of the precious moments shaping your life. Learn to prioritize and allot your time in alignment with what truly holds significance to you. 7. Tackle difficult tasks. Seneca understood that achieving greatness demands effort and resilience. He advocated disciplining the body to heed the mind's commands. This principle extends beyond physical challenges to encompass mental and emotional ones as well. When faced with difficulties, embrace them. It's within these challenges that your true strength emerges. Whether it's the physical rigor of a tough workout, the mental tenacity required to solve a complex problem, or the emotional resilience needed in navigating challenging relationships, growth occurs in these crucibles. So, when you confront a tough situation, lean into it. Remind yourself that adversity serves as the forge where your character is refined and strengthened. 8. Elevate others. Seneca believed that uplifting others was a pathway to happiness. It's not about judgment or control, but rather about being a source of inspiration and positive influence. Consider the impact you wield on those in your sphere. Are you aiding them in becoming their finest selves by empowering and uplifting them? By fostering the growth of others, you not only contribute to their development, but also enhance your own character. When you elevate those around you, you create a ripple effect of positivity that extends far beyond your immediate circle. It's a means of leaving behind a lasting legacy of goodness and inspiration in the world. 9. Elevate others. Gratitude serves as a vital element in a fulfilling life. Though Seneca didn't explicitly mention it, it stands as an essential facet of Stoic philosophy. Dedicate moments each day to appreciate what you possess, from the simplest joys to your most significant accomplishments. Gratitude nurtures contentment and fortitude. When you acknowledge the blessings in your life, it's akin to illuminating your heart with light. Even amidst difficult moments, gratitude serves as a potent tool, reminding you of the abundance surrounding you. It fuels your inner strength, enabling you to confront adversity with a positive perspective. 10. Embrace lifelong learning. Seneca's philosophy of daily improvement revolves around a dedication to learning. Are you actively pursuing knowledge and skills that foster growth and adaptability? Keep in mind, learning is an ongoing journey. Every piece of knowledge gained enhances your adaptability and resilience in a swiftly evolving world. Consider this: The world is undergoing rapid evolution, and remaining stagnant isn't viable. Embrace continuous learning, whether it's acquiring new skills, delving into books, or seeking fresh experiences. By doing so, you equip yourself with the necessary tools and knowledge to flourish in an ever-changing landscape.